Yo, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel where tonight I'm going to be doing a gaming test with this 55-inch LG A1 OLED and the PlayStation 5. Now in this video we're going to test out 3 games, and those 3 games are A Plague Tale, Call of Duty Cold War, and finally, Dirt 5. Big thanks to the guys at box.co.uk for sending over the LG A1 OLED, which has allowed me to make this video. And if you're looking to purchase a new TV, then please go and check out their link in the description.
Whoa. Why are there candles?
The candles are to show that you're thinking of someone.
Right, we are up and running then with A Plague Tale. And straight away, looks very nice indeed. Now, what I'm going to start off by doing is showing you guys the new game dashboard and game optimizer. So if you're new to the channel, you may not have seen these already, but this is something that's new to the 2021 LG TVs. And because we are already in game mode, if we get the remote control and press the settings button just once, we get up that new game dashboard. And just look at that, gives us loads of information there. It's really handy because it's like a one-stop shop for everything to do with gaming. So we can change some settings directly from there if we so wish. We can jump into the all settings, or we can go to the game optimizer. So if we just click on that,
We'll do it together.
then we get the game optimizer up just there. Again, gives us some more information. Settings that we can adjust for each different mode. And we can even change the colours. So, you know, if you want to change it up for a different look, you can do. So yeah, it's a very handy feature indeed. Now, something that I do want to point out, that this TV is only capable of 4K 60 Hertz. So something just to bear in mind there. But let's be honest, a lot of these games on the PlayStation 5 can't really do 4K 120 anyway. So 60 is more than enough for most of the games. And I tell you what, a lot of people are struggling to get hold of the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X anyway. So I think this TV will suit many people anyway. But let's just get rid of that game dashboard. Like I say, I do like that feature. It is very nice. And I've just left the lights on for a minute. We're going to try, you know, some of the other games with the lights off, but just to sort of mix it up a bit, we've gone on. So we can see a few reflections just there, but it's very strong lighting that we do have in here. But I think that is a very nice image. And again, for anyone who doesn't know, this is the entry-level OLED TV from LG for 2021. So a few people have been complaining that it is only 60 Hertz. But if you want more than that, then you go out and you buy the B1, C1 or G1 OLEDs. So, you know, there's something there for everyone at different price points. But I think, you know, this TV is cracking for the money, and not everyone wants those higher refresh rates at 4K. So, you know, this may appeal just to the casual gamer. Now we have Call of Duty loaded up, and as you can see, we are on the settings page. And if we just go in a little bit closer, as we can see, it does say ray tracing disabled, but 120 Hertz refresh rate enabled. So what is going on? Now, if we press on the settings button just there, we get up that game dashboard. It says 120 FPS. And if I do a few presses of the magic button, we get up this information just here, and it does say 1080p at 120. But what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to disable that so we get 4K and enable ray tracing. So we've just come back to the PlayStation settings and we are going to change this mode now. So if we change that, if we click on it to resolution mode, then that means that we should get that 4K and ray tracing enabled. So let's go back to the game. Back to the game settings, and if we go in close again, we can see that ray tracing is now enabled and 120 Hertz is disabled. Let's just confirm that. Press on there, so 60 FPS. Get my other menu as well. There we see 4K at, well, pretty much 60. We are now playing Hijacked. And this has got to be one of my favourite maps on Call of Duty. We used to play this a while back, didn't we, mate? Yeah. One of our favourites. Absolutely love this map. And it looks absolutely sweet. Even being just 60 FPS, it still looks really, really nice. And if you do want it a little bit smoother, you can, of course, come out of game mode if you wish. And you can change it to maybe a standard mode and put the smoothing on, and that will smooth it out a little bit more. I'll tell you what, we'll just do that just for a bit of fun now. Now, you know, some people will go mad saying, oh, no, you want a game in game mode, and that's fine. But, you know, that setting is there if you so wish. Let's just go down to clarity there and true motion. Oh, we already got it on smooth there. Yeah, that just smooths it out a little bit. And I think that does look really, really nice. I'll tell you what, we'll just move over here a bit. Give you a wider view. And we'll even just pop those lights off there. Again, this is the budget OLED. Now, it is still a considered purchase, but it is still the entry level OLED from LG. And I think it is doing a sterling job. Don't think many people would be disappointed with that. And I know I certainly wouldn't be myself. And this is coming from someone who already owns the top of the line LG A1 OLED. And let's just put it back into game mode now then. And if we just go to game optimizer user there we go. HDR, and back in that game mode. So again, we can get up that game optimizer, game dashboard, and the shortcut there to the optimizer if we so wish. And that's what it looks like when you're playing a game like this. That optimizer coming up, not too intrusive. You know, if you quickly want to hop into something there, then you can do. Saves you having to sort of go deep into loads of menus, which you have to on other TVs.
Welcome back, Ace. You got a main event coming up. You ready?
Right, now we have Dirt 5 on the go. And once again, we are in the game mode. Looking very nice. Again, move round to the side, let's have a look at the viewing angles. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And we do like we've done on the last game. We just put it into standard mode. Again, with that smoothness on there as well. Let's just check that that's still there. Clarity. There we go, true motion, smooth movement. Like I said, I know some people will say, why are you doing that? No one games out of game mode, but trust me, a lot of people do. I have loads of people come to me and say that they prefer to game out of game mode, it just looks better. And let's just pop the lights on one final time so you can see what it's like with some very strong lighting on there. Yeah, looking good. If you're not a fan of the PlayStation, even though you're watching this, then don't worry. I will be testing out our Xbox Series X with this TV, and we will also be testing out the LG B1 OLED, and that will be with the PlayStation 5 and also the Xbox Series X again. Well, there you have it then, guys. Now, hopefully you have enjoyed this video today, and if you have, I'd really appreciate it if you could just spare me 1 second of your time to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed and you'd like to see more tests like this in the future, like with the B1 and the Xbox Series X, then please make sure you subscribe. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully we will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.